and TV.
Welcome to the magical pond, where frog sleeps and play all the day. Meet Ribby, the frog, and his hopping friends. Together, they will jump, splash, and count from 1 to 10, teaching you about numbers in the most exciting way. Let's dive in and start the froggy fun.
One little frog jumps on a stone, hopping around all on its own. Ribbit, ribbit. Two little frogs leap so high, splashing water as they try. Croak, croak. Three little frogs jump to a log, ribbiting loudly in the morning fog. Ribbit, croak, ribbit, croak. Four little frogs hop to a tree, playing together, happy and free. Ribbit, ribbit, croak, croak. Five little frogs leap in a race, bouncing and jumping all over the place. Croak, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Six little frogs dive with a plop, making ripples that never stop. Plop, ribbit, croak. Seven little frogs jump in a row, hopping fast then hopping slow. Ribbit, 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 croak. Eight little frogs leap to the shore, counting their jumps. Let's do more. Ribbit, ribbit, croak, croak. Nine little frogs jump over a snail, racing each other down the trail. Croak, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. 10 little frogs shout with glee, we've jumped so far, just look at me. Ribbit, croak, ribbit, croak.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe MN Kids TV.
Thank you. Bye.